Hi, I'm Rian, the team manager of Team Marlin. Welcome to the third episode of this Dev Class CAD tutorials. This is a series of episodes where I take you through how to build a basic Dev Class F1 Schools car in OnShape. If you haven't already, go back and watch the first two episodes where I take you through the basics of OnShape and how to build the cockpit area of the car. In this episode, I'm going to take you through how to build the nose cone of the car, which is key to decreasing drag at the front of the car. I hope you enjoy this video. Before we start this episode, I'd like to give a huge shout out to Pravit, who have kindly funded our domain of www.teamworld.in. This is a great place where we share background information on our team, as well as the current work we're working on, and we have our blog at blog.teamworld.in. Pravit has designed amazing up-to-date jewellery, which you can check out at Reading or Cardiff, or on their website at www.pravins.co.uk. So to begin making the nose cone, we're first going to create 3 sketches, which will be like the X, Y, and Z planes. And then we're going to create it very similar to the cockpit area. So the first sketch you're going to create is on this front area. So Shift S, then N to fill the camera. And we're just going to first create a square so that we can fill in this area over here for our later sketches. So we're just going to use the G key. And then just drag so that you're in line with both of these points over here. So once you created that, you can select it and then press the Q key to make it into a construction line. And then we're just going to create an arc, which will basically be the back of our nose cone. So you can create this any shape you want and just customize it to make your car as aerodynamic as possible and work together with the cockpit area. So I'm just going to create a simple arc, which is tangent, like that. And then I'm just going to make these 2 lines non-construction by pressing the Q key again. And once you've done that, you can click the tick. And then we're going to create a bottom plane. So Shift S, N to fill the camera. And then we're just going to create a simple kind of aerodynamic shape. So just going to use the L key to draw a line out like this. And this will be the length of your nose cone. I'm just going to use the line key again just to create this back. And then we're going to use the spline key to just create the aerodynamic shape that you want. I'm just going to create a simple shape like this. And then you may want to elongate this by just pulling it out. And edit this like that. Okay, once you're happy with it, you can click the tick. Then we're just going to create the final sketch on the back over here. So be careful not to click this face, we're going to be clicking this face over here. Click there, and to fill the camera. And then we're going to keep this line the same. So it's the same length. Just going to go up again. So we've got the 2 lines here, and the spline key again. Just create a simple shape. Like that. And then again, you can edit it as much as you want. I'm happy with that. So then I'm going to click the tick. And then I'm just going to create the actual nose cone. So we're just going to use the loft feature, and then we're going to go for this shape to this shape. Sorry, that is sweep, not loft. Loft. We're going to make sure it's on new. Then we're just going to go to match connections. Just put in 2 connections like this. Then we're going to go to guides and continuity and click this arc as the guide. So once you're happy with it, you can add any start or end profile conditions, like with the cockpit. But I'm happy with this nose cone, so I'm just going to click the tick. But as you can see, it's got a very bad join with the actual car. So this area over here will create a lot of drag. So what we're going to do is we're going to make sure that the loft is on new, and then we're just going to use the transform tool to just drag this out. So we want to go translate by XYZ. I'm just going to drag this out a little bit, like that. And then I'm just going to go to the loft feature one last time and just go show this sketch. And might just make it a bit clearer by just sketching it one last time. We're not going to make this construction one again. I'm just going to create a simple rectangle like this using the loft tool. We're going to click on the square and then on our part back face. So what we can do is make sure that the match connections are in the correct place, and then this should hopefully give us a smooth connection from the nose cone to the actual car. So I'm just going to go to add and then merge scope with the nose cone and with the actual car, so just joins it into one. That, and you can click the tick. And as you can see, we've got a really nice nose cone. The final thing we need to do is just make sure that the tetherline guide goes through the car. So just going to go to the back, Shift press, enter the camera, and just use the G key. Create that rectangle, and then Shift E, remove through all, and you can click the tick. And this is the final step in creating our nose cone for the car. Thank you for watching this episode. Remember to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and comment down below if you have any questions. And remember to ring the bell to get notified when we release the new episodes in this series.